All right, guys. So this is Andrew. I'm doing the recap for Friday afternoon. I'm short NKTR, and I was hoping I'm short at 26.47, and I'm hoping to get to 26.10 and 26 below. And I do have some orders to cover below 26. It does look like a reversal to me, extreme reversal, and I want to see if I can actually get that. Let's see. I have 1,600 shares left. So here's the issue. I came late. I didn't trade this at the open, and I came late. I opened my trade idea scanner. And as soon as I opened it, so when see, for example, when you open the trade idea scanner during the afternoon session, you can't really expect that you can't really expect to get anything toward this momentum trades. So there was no high of the day, no turbo breakup, no more breakdown, and opening ranges. So the only thing that you can look is actually the RSI extremes or top and bottom reversals. These are the moves that happens in the afternoon. Oh, by the way, I got filled at 26.10 on NKTR. So I looked at the WBA and NKTR. I wanted to see if I can actually find anything to trade in the afternoon, mostly a reversal or something, because the momentum is gone, especially on a Friday afternoon at 2 p.m. So I came around 1 o'clock. I checked WBA. By the way, I'm out on NKTR. So let me see it out. NKTR at 26, 10 more. Yeah. And I saw WBA. I wanted to trade the WBA, and I realized that WBA has sold off and it's getting ready for a pop, for a reversal. The moving averages are all crossing over here. So I went long. I was hoping. So again, that's extreme reversal that we're hoping for. So the new 15-minute high, it's extreme reversal, high volume. The moving averages cross over on a 1-minute chart and a new 5-minute high. So all were ready for a reversal. So I went long at around 54.23, popped up all the way up to 54.35. I was hoping to go a little bit higher toward the VWAP. It did drop. But it never lost the moving averages. So when I'm closing down here, it never lost the moving averages. It came back up. I added more, and I was hoping this time goes toward this moving average on a 5-minute chart. It did came down, and I got out at the break even with a little bit of profit. So I wasn't really keen to just hang around with it because I saw this doesn't really having the momentum. And then the other RSI extreme stock was NKTR. I looked at NKTR and saw what I saw was an NKTR that stock was running up 21% in the afternoon. So it was almost making all-time high all the way at 130. And this is a time for a reversal, really. The stock has already gone up 21% the whole day. You look at this on a 15-minute chart, it's just constantly ABCD pattern going up. So it is not a time to go to really long for that. If anything, you want to go short on this stock because it's just time for it to do a quick reversal. Maybe not all the way to the VWAP, but it's definitely there is a pullback is expected on that. So what I noticed it was that the stock came in below these moving averages, had a pop squeeze, had a panic pop. So these are the people who are shorts come down, and it came down, and it did go back up, and I decided to go short here on this stuff. Again, my bias was completely on a short bias. Why I wasn't long bias on that? Because it's just already way too extended, and this is not the time of the day that I want to take it to the long side for the break of high of the day. If it was at the morning session, I would have done that. If it was in the morning session, I would say, yeah, this could be a good continuation for the break of high of the day. But this is not the time of the day that at 2 o'clock in the Friday afternoon you get enough volume and momentum to just go and break the high of the day. No, definitely this is not the type of move that I want. Then I decided to actually reversal. So I realized that this is a time for breaking of these moving averages. So I went short. My stop loss was above here. So my risk to reward was really great. So right now I have order to cover at 26. So my risk to reward was there, and I really was expecting. And also on a 15-minute chart, when you're looking at it, 15-minute chart, you're starting making lower highs. And that was the moment that I decided to take the trade to the short side. Yeah, and I'm still, where's my pen? Where is my thing? Yeah, sorry. Yeah, so I still have this one chilling out around here, and still it was a very decent profit. Even now, even if I close it now, it's a decent profit for someone who couldn't wake up in the morning on time. I think it's a very, very decent profit if you can get to 26. And yeah. So WBA, as I mentioned, I got out the break even. MU was also something like that. So I just got out MU was also, I was looking to take a momentum for the break of this 5706. Again, it's just not the time of the day that you want to take a momentum trade, so that's why I got out of it at the break-even point. So NKTR, I want to just see that it might actually go back and go back to my break-even point, but you know, I just made booked a decent profit on that. This is the time of the day that you can't really expect momentum. Again, it's Friday afternoon, nothing is moving, there is no volume, and if anything, you just have to find these smaller moves and be patient with that. I'll hold on that and see if my stop loss would be at the break-even point. Now I booked a decent profit. I can't cover everything and now make a better profit on that, but I want to see if you can actually break below 26. It might do a couple of pop back, but there is a big bid, so maybe it goes back. There's also big ask coming. There's really difficult to read anything from level 2, but I do hope that we can test the 26. We did came down all the way up to 26.04. So if you can get that, that would be nice. So how's the room did? Is there any trade that you guys did and it's nice and you want to share with us, guys? While we're just waiting for this stock to do some stuff. This is my P&L. Close P&L. My position. Oh, okay, there you go. There it's. So I'm just putting this one down up here. See if we can get. Let's see if you guys did anything. So Mary, you did a really nice trade for us. She shared the trade with us on Facebook. You went short after broke of these moving averages. Really nice. Short to these levels. Beautiful. You know, again, this is a really nice trading. Short and then bounce back. I don't know exactly what you did here, but it seems to me that you covered everything here. I mean, that's the first trade that you did, and then you flipped your position to the long, and this is your long position. So for a squeeze above the VWAP. One short entry, exactly. This is the type of trade that I love to our community do. So I'm actually downloading this image, and I want to share it with the community. That's amazing, guys. So yeah, that's a trade that Mary did. So the VWAP play, so as soon as you lost the VWAP, you just go all the way to this level, and then you got out of the break even. Probably you added here, or you got stopped out, and then you flip the position to the long, and you just went up. Beautiful, and this is the time. Really nice, guys. Really nice trading. Ivan, you know, a trader, almost 2 years trading with us. Let me see what Ivan did. I'm just bringing it here. Yeah, short. This is Billy right at the open. Beautiful, 3,000 shares short, 22.42, all the way up to 29. That's a $6,000-7,000 trade that Ivan did. Ivan has been a trader for us for a long time. This star that you see means that they're with us for more than how many years or something like that. NKTR seems like it wants to go below 26. I'm still holding it. Little lucky with Billy today. Beautiful. Ivan, are you a full-time trader with us? Very nice, very beautiful. Ethan, let's see what Ethan is doing. What is Ethan doing? This is a long, I don't know what it is. It might be MU. Actually, I don't know yet. It's a very bad screenshot. I can't really say which one is that. Rishi, a trader in San Francisco, my great friend, traded 6. 1 minute opening range breakdown. This is a 1 minute opening range breakdown. 36.60 all the way up to this 35.40. These levels are magic. See, this is a beautiful trade at the open. Amazing. Pure scalp trade between levels. Amazing. Really nice. Very, very proud of you, buddy. Very proud of you. I cannot be more proud of you, Rishi. In San Francisco, I mean, William did an interview with him. Nectar is dropping to 26. Shit, I haven't got filled yet. Yeah, I have an order to cover NKTR on 26. So let's see if we can get there or not. Just did bounce back, but I think it might test 26. So I have an order on 26. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful trading. An off-topic chat. What should we got? Nothing. Main chat. Yeah, it's beautiful, guys. Really amazing trading. I am so proud of you. Yeah, sorry I couldn't I couldn't wake up this morning for trading, and This traveling, all of our travelings has put a lot of pressure on me. I really need no more black coffee. Fuck that, Peter. This traveling really has put a lot of effect on my body and my performance too. I mean, the last 2 days I didn't really trade well, and I think it's because part of it is because of lack of sleep and all of these flying all around the world. Zen did another trade for us. Let's just see what we got here. What is that? This is PTLA. PTLA was active, so you went short 1427, and then you covered all the way down here. It's just a little bit tough to, I don't know what platform is that. Is it Thinkorswim? A little bit difficult to understand exactly the trades on it. Zen has been with us for over 2 years. So this is a star that you guys see in the chat. These are the membership time of the people. So Zen has been trading full time with us for more than 2 years, and because we established this website for 2 years, so our database. So we are more than 3 years, but our old website we couldn't track the membership on that. So people who've been with us for over 2 years, they have 2 stars. So I think we have 1 3-star general in the community that. Yeah. So what else do we have? So NKTR is going to get 26 for us, and I think I'm gonna be done with it if it just cracks the 26. LK is trading. Let's check out LK. Sorry, LK. Oh yeah, LK is squeezing up, but again, the moves don't have any. You know, as you see, these moves really don't have any order. See, yeah, the moves are happening fast, but there's not a lot of order flow is happening, so it's just a little bit tough to really trading it. Nectar wants to probably want to crack the 26. If you can crack the 26, that would be nice. Oh, it did hit the 26. There was an order at 26, just 18,000 shares. You know, 18,000 shares traded on 26. I didn't get filled. I'm still on 26. Yeah, Moses, do you remember those times? Do you remember the Vancouver time? Yeah, it was a good time. SRNE, what is that one up to? It's a lower float stocks. Okay, leaping again, yeah. I don't know. Maybe I should get out of. Maybe I should cover my NKTR and cancel my order. I'm getting out of NKTR. I'm all out on NKTR and canceling my order. So yeah, I'm just getting out completely at 26.10 because it just doesn't seem that. Just really didn't seem that I want to crack the 26. It goes back up, so I'm all out on that. And yeah, it could be a better day, but again, that's okay. I was hoping to get 26, but we didn't. It might. I can still leave it. You know, I could leave a little bit for my break-even point at 26.50, but that 50 cents is. I think it's a decent profit for that. So Ethan, our still broker is Interactive Brokers. I think really the Interactive Broker has been one of the best brokers that our community is using, and it's just there's no problem trading with that. All right, guys. So that's my recap for today. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah. So I'll see you all Monday morning, and I do apologize for missing trading at the open, guys. Cheers.